Write the topic as a single word, gifts. Set the timer for 2 minutes and write down the words that come to mind related to your wishes for 2025. Instead of writing the words in order, scatter them across the paper in different sizes and angles. This highlights the fact that our desires vary in meaning, importance, and scale. Write down anything your heart desires, whether it's material things, emotions, dreams, or events. Now we move on to drawing the bag. Think of it as a Santa Claus style bag filled with gifts. Draw it in your own style. It doesn't need to be perfect. Inside the bag, use circles to represent your gifts. The circles should be on different sizes because our gifts are diverse. Some are significant and big, while others are smaller but still meaningful. In this algorithm, I drew 25 gifts, symbolizing the year 2025. Now we're doing conjoining or rounding. Draw neurographic lines and round all intersections, smoothing out sharp corners. This step is crucial to remove any conflict or tension in the energy of your drawing. How exciting 2025 has arrived. It's the perfect time to draw the bag of gifts algorithm. We're following all the basic algorithm rules, adding a bit of fun, creativity, and inspiration along the way. Rounding or conjoining is a very important step. We need to smooth out all the conflicts. While doing this step, reflect on how you feel. Do you have any sensations in your body? Don't forget, in neurographic art, we work with subconscious mind. Some things may arise. I'm sure that for some of you, it might have been difficult to write down and draw so many gifts for yourself. In life, we often hesitate to ask for things, to want, or to dream. But the new year is here, a time to believe in miracles, time to believe in yourself. After conjoining or rounding, we will be adding color. We're going to bring color into the composition. And in the new year, there are updates to the method. In this step, we use highlighters, not pencils. They add freshness and energy to your drawing, reflecting growth and change. We follow the same rules. Two or more segments together, we are creating bigger meanings. After adding colors, we will be doing field lines. Remember, field lines, unique, flowing lines that do not cross each other. These lines help attract the universe's support and amplify the energy of your drawing, creating a connection between your desires and the divine. After field lines, we will be doing main figure or fixation. We focus on the main figure of the composition, and in this algorithm, the main figure is typically the bag itself, representing the central idea of your gifts. However, if there's a specific gift that holds the greatest importance for you, you can choose to highlight and fixate on that instead. This step ensures clarity and intention in your drawing, allowing the universe to understand your priorities. May every wish of yours come true, and may all the gifts you've imagined find their way to you. Believe, and you shall receive. The power of neurographic art is truly amazing. Create your best reality with neurographic art. Thank you for doing this algorithm with me, and Happy New Year!